Hi, hello, good morning. Today I am going to show you how to make colocasia chama dumpala parotta. Here I am taking colocasia roots. After that, wash it, cook softly. After that, remove skin and smash it. Add red chili powder, salt, dhania, jeera powder, saunf. Add turmeric. Now I am going to add wheat flour and mix well like a parotta dough. After making dough, make small balls and press like a parotta, chapati. After heating the pan, fry parotta both sides with oil or butter. Serve with raitha or any curry or dhal. It is very healthy for all ages and it is healthy for menopause ladies. Our colocasia parotta is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.